All the global challenges that we face today, whether it's global warming and climate change, terrorism, the spread of pandemics, cyber crimes and cyber attacks, cannot be resolved unilaterally. Global challenges can only be resolved through international cooperation.
And I want to quote just one sentence of the French president's speech under the Arc de Triomphe. Will this be the resounding symbol of a lasting peace between nations, or a last moment of unity before the world darkens into a new disorder? We are moving towards a multipolar world with different coalitions based on principles which are not fully clear or well defined, and which can develop actually in the long run at the expense of the multilateral system. Paris Peace Forum in a way demonstrated that we can keep multilateral tools alive even in US absence. At the same time, I think the Paris Peace Forum also conveyed the message that it should not lead to less political investment in multilateral institutions, and that the states remain some key actors. And on that side, I mean, we are very pleased that Singapore and EU eventually signed the FTA agreement last month in Brussels. It shows also that together we can stand against the tide of protectionism. But I think the agenda should be expanded to other issues, on global issue with climate change, and also on connectivity with a focus on digital connectivity and digital governance of the internet.
While one should not give in to xenophobia and ultra-nationalism, I think there should be more recognition of the attachment to sovereignty that many of these populist politicians are able to garner the support of his followers, and to be more accepting of voluntary commitments rather than legalistic obligations as a basis for multilateral cooperation. And I think in some way, if you look at how ASEAN works, it is based on this kind of voluntary commitments.